Yeah, this is a 1973 FLH Harley Davidson shovel head. Over here I got my 1932 Ford Coupe. It's got a 671 blower on it, dual 4-barrel carburetors. My 1955 Bel Air Chevy. And this is my 1932, like the red one, but it's a little different. Yeah, this is some more of the stuff I make. I just got done polishing all this stuff. A lot of work. These are really hard. Yeah, this is my 1956 Chevy. It's actually a 210 post because of this post here. It's not a Bel Air. And I did a lot of work to this car. I put four-wheel disc brakes in it. I lowered it 2 inches with the spindles in the front. Pulled the transmission out, put a 700 off, 4-speed automatic. Yeah, this is my 2014 Ford GT Mustang.